Ethereum and Dogecoin have hit all-time highs and continue to break these highs every single day, it seems like, over the last couple of weeks. Ethereum is up over 1,500% in the last year, and many people are thinking that this is just the beginning, that Ethereum could easily reach $10,000 per coin this year, and even up to $25,000 per coin by the end of this year, depending on which analyst you speak to. I think these projections are very, very realistic, because right now we're starting to see more and more institutions get into Ethereum. Previously, any major investment banks, any major funds would only look at Bitcoin, but now they're starting to actually look at Ethereum. Same with Dogecoin. Previously, Dogecoin was considered a joke. Now many people are actually treating it like it's a real thing. Companies are accepting it. People are holding it and paying and transacting with it. So we're seeing both of these really starting to climb. With Ethereum, the market is realizing how fundamentally undervalued Ethereum is, especially with its use cases. Bitcoin is a store of value. It's like a digital gold, but it doesn't have as many use cases like Ethereum has. Ethereum, there's been so much built on the back of Ethereum between smart contracts, NFTs, between a lot of decentralized finance projects. There's so much built on the back of Ethereum, and with the EIP 1559 upgrade with ETH 2.0, there's a lot more to like about it, between a supply reduction, basically making it a deflationary asset, between improved rewards for miners. There's a lot to like about Ethereum. So right now, analyst says that they think Ethereum is going to reach $25,000 per coin over the next couple years. They think it's going to surpass Bitcoin in terms of market cap. They said Ether will have a lot of volatility similar to Bitcoin, but can increase in value as many more institutional investors become aware of it. This is going to be, I think, the key turning point we're going to see when it really starts to take off is going to be when we have institutional investors get into it, when we have Ethereum ETFs in the US. Right now, we have 3 Ethereum ETFs in Canada that have all been approved, but there are 0 Ethereum ETFs, 0 Bitcoin ETFs in the US. Once these are approved by the SEC, I think we're going to see Ethereum's price skyrocket, because a lot of more conservative companies out there, they have cash on their balance sheet. They invest in assets, but they're not going to go out of their way to invest in cryptocurrency. So until they have a way to easily invest directly in Ethereum, they're not going to do that, because they are more conservative, and they're not going to do it until the SEC probably approves it. So right now, if companies want exposure to Ethereum directly, if they're not investing in Ethereum ETFs in Canada, the only option they really have is to invest directly in Coinbase, which is exposure to the entire crypto market, but it doesn't give them direct exposure to Ethereum. So as more companies look for investing directly into Ethereum, which we've already seen happen, we're seeing the European Investment Bank, the EIB, already issue $115 million worth of digital bonds with Ethereum. So as we're seeing more institutions, more large corporations, governments start to accept Ethereum and see it for what it is, that it's really exciting, has a lot of different use cases with NFTs, smart contracts, decentralized finance. Once they see the use cases for it, once they start pouring billions of dollars in, we're going to continue to see the price skyrocket for Ethereum. Recently, with Ethereum, we saw 400,000 Ethereum coins leave Coinbase over the last 30 days. On a single day, there was over 400,000 Ethereum coins that left Coinbase. This is showing that we are starting to see institutions get into Ethereum, but only some, because that was only on one day within the last 30 days. So the rest of the last 30 days, nothing seemed unusual for Ethereum. But that one day, we saw 400,000 Ethereum coins leave Coinbase. So obviously there was some sort of whale account, some sort of institution that did make a fairly large purchase.